Hello, this is Logan from Keyboard. I will use this video to test the Keyboard CD0754. And this is Microsoft Surface Book 2. And this is the latest Apple's MacBook Pro. Firstly, I will connect this Keyboard USB-C hub. Connect the HDMI cable. And connect the Type-C port to the Microsoft Surface Book 2. Here we can see that the LG 34 monitor would detect the Microsoft Surface Book 2 would detect the LG 34 monitor. I will go to Start Settings and go to System. Here you would get 1 and 2 monitor. I click identify, and this is the second monitor. I click the second monitor and click Advanced Display Settings. And here we can see that the LG HDR 5K monitor just get the 4K 60 Hz. Oh, in this case, you probably think that this is the Type-C hub's fault. It's not. And then I will connect the M1 MacBook Pro 30-inch 2020. Connect the HDMI cable. Connect the CD0754. Type into the password. Okay. You have to wait 5 seconds and let the MacBook Pro to detect the external display. Here I can click about this Mac. From this, you can see that this is Apple M1 processor. I will go to System Preferences and click Displays. Here I click Get Windows and click LG. Here you will get 2 windows. This is the LG HDR 5K display. I can from this you can get that the LG HDR 5K monitor just get a 4K 60 Hz. So from this condition, we can see that this is not the Type-C Keyboard USB hub's fault, because the Microsoft Surface Book 2 just use the display port 1.2 version. However, the latest MacBook Pro with M1 processor use the display port 1.4 version. Okay, this is the video about the Keyboard CD0754. If you have any questions, just feel free to send us messages. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Bye.